Okay, our main objective was to go see the Colorado Buffaloes Stadium and to buy some amazing gear. We did all those things, but your girl got in a tight. I had to use the bathroom. So the staff was super friendly. They walked me down the hall, let me use the restroom, and they told us the perfect spot to take some pictures of the stadium. It was great, but listen, if Deion Sanders would have walked through those doors, your girl would have passed out. But look, the weather started taking a turn for the worse. See, it's ice on my head. We're in Boulder, Colorado, and we're stuck in a hailstorm. So we found a canopy to park up under until it stops. We don't want to damage the rental car. So we're gonna wait this out, crew. Oh, that sounds bad. I'm getting scared. This parking area here to find shelter because we don't want our vehicles to get damaged. Hopefully it stops soon, but this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to wait it out, crew. The good thing is I'm safe. I got my stamp. They stamp your hand so you can get in. And let me see what they gave me. Car. They give you these coins to support your local animal. You pick which one you want out of these. And there's some more on the other side. You just put it in the slot. And they'll put 75 cents towards that animal. We're here. We made it, crew. I'm so excited. I love this zoo. It's one of my favorite zoos of all time. They got some construction going on though. That used to be the entrance, but now we have to go this way. Alrighty, let's have some fun. This zoo has guinea pigs.
Yeah, right.
I actually have 2 at home, but they're nowhere near big as these. They are huge. First zoo that I ever seen that had guinea pigs. It'll come.
Oh, okay. There you go. Oh, wait. Okay, come on. Oh, look at it.
Sometimes they'll lick you.
There you go.
Maybe if I go. Hey, you're trying to get a piece of lettuce.
Let's put it all
Sorry,
in
come
here.
here. You're trying to get a piece of
There
lettuce.
you go. Oh. He got my hand. It's wet.
I'm in the Wallaby exhibit. They're free range. They can go wherever they want. I'm really enjoying this zoo. You get a workout too. It's a straight incline all the way up. So, all right. Let's go see what else we can get into.
Yeah, you're in the poop zone. Oops, something on my back.
It's on the backpack.
I fell in here. You covering your face up. Get him. Come on.
He's on my backpack. Taking a ride. Don't let him poop on my backpack.
You're in the poop zone.
Okay, crew. We're up this high. So I decided to go down this slide. All right, we're going for it. Y'all ready? Let me get in here. I hope I don't regret this. Oh Lord. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm preparing myself to do this.
Oh, you at the top?
Yeah, I'm finna come down.
I can hear you clearly. I'm at the bottom.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I thought you was right here.
All right, I'm coming. Oh Lord, I'm scared. Okay, here we go.
Being pet on the shell, they can actually feel it. It's like when you're feeling
Oh,
your
it is.
fingernails.
She's warm. I feel it.
Yeah.
Oh. I had such an amazing time at Cheyenne Mountain Zoo. I cannot believe the interaction that I had with the animals. Can you believe it? And I'm a social butterfly. I met so many wonderful couples while we were there, and we had so much fun, and they gave me tips on some places that we need to go check out. I am enjoying my time here in Colorado. The trip couldn't be more amazing. I'm just thinking about all the things I've done so far and the videos I'm going to put out for you to see. And thank you so much for watching and supporting me and being there for me through the good, the bad, the thick and the thin, and whatever life throws at me. Thank you for your support. But we just made it to In-N-Out Burger. I first got ate there in Salt Lake City, Utah, and I'm hooked. I'm hooked on the burger and the secret sauce. So whenever I get a chance to eat at one, I always try and make that a priority. You know, we don't have one in Florida. I wish they did. Okay, once we got inside, there was a very long line, but they was giving out free power banks. And the cool thing is you could put any name or whatever you want on it, and this was all for free. Okay, look at that. I cannot believe it. Look at that. Yeah, your girl got a free power bank. Then on top of that, I got my free fanny pack, and I was good to go. So let's go ahead and enjoy the game. I like this bridge. I saw it was over here the other day. We are on our way back from the Denver Nuggets game. It started snowing when we came out, and now we're on our way back to the hotel, and now it's really snowing. I can't say I got my fair share of snow this year.